75 billion euros. That is what SoftBank says it could spend building data centers in France. That is not a normal real estate project. That is an AI arms race with power bills. When companies throw around numbers like that, they are not just buying buildings. They are buying compute, influence, and control over where the next wave of AI actually runs. A data center sounds boring until you understand what is inside. Racks of servers, miles of fiber, backup generators, cooling systems, power distribution, security. And for AI, you are talking about GPU clusters that suck down electricity like a crawfish boil sucks down propane. This is not Dropbox storage. This is the factory floor for artificial intelligence. So why France? A few reasons. France has strong nuclear power, which means more stable, low-carbon electricity than a lot of places. It has fiber connections into Europe. And Europe really cares about data sovereignty. That means where your data lives, who can touch it, and which laws apply. For AI companies, that matters a lot. Here is the part nobody puts in the press release. Data centers need insane amounts of power and water. They also need grid upgrades, land, permits, security, and specialized workers. You cannot just slap GPUs in a warehouse and call it enterprise infrastructure. I have seen small businesses mess up one server closet. Now scale that mistake to national infrastructure. For small businesses, this matters because your cloud tools ride on this stuff. Microsoft 365, backups, AI assistants, accounting platforms, security logs, all of it. More data centers can mean better performance and more regional options, but it can also mean lock-in. If one vendor controls your apps, your AI, your storage, and your identity, you better have an exit plan. My takeaway is simple. AI is not magic. It is servers, electricity, cooling, networking, and money. A lot of money. When you see SoftBank talking about 75 billion euros, understand what they are really betting on. They believe compute is the new oil, and honestly, they may not be wrong. Just do not confuse big investment with guaranteed reliability. If this helped you, subscribe to Barbera Labs for more cybersecurity and tech content every day.